Hello. Today's video, we're playing Nintendo Nights in the forest. Then let's go play a I'm gonna equip maybe Gumber Glass Loki. Maybe I have already Gumber equipped. Let's play. Maybe I would ask someone I can play with them. Yeah, but I want to do this a mega base. There's talents to build a mega base. Not to open 5 because to finish this. It's because I need to get after this or my guys. I'm sorry, I have to end it right now. Then bye bye. That's what I'm gonna do. Bye bye. Sorry. I have to end it now.